All right. So we're gonna follow this way over here, and we're gonna go down purely in this. Hopefully we don't need to bring the big boy down, because this big boy is trying to get on our asses like crazy. Okay. Yeah, let me just... Where is he? I don't know. Well, we're just gonna go straight down. This is our first time going down this hole, too. Okay. Well, that would probably be where we need to go. If I'm only guessing. Okay, yeah, this is just a full-ass... Are these new? I have no idea. Oh, oh, oh! Hello?
I am what you seek. Want to help you.
Okay. Oh, well, there's that. Jesus. This is nutty. What are all, like, what are these? Probably just slapped into that guy. All right. What tablet do I need? Blue. I got that from the last place. Okay. Hello? Is that a fish? What the fuck is that? Is it evil? It looks evil. Let me go Google it. Or not Google it, look it up. This device is low threat level, its odds with advanced technology apparent, availability to its design, suggesting it was intended for more to patrol alien facilities and repair damaged infrastructure than defend invaders. Okay, so I kind of just killed that guy for no one. Oh, mobilize and return for Altera for mutual profit. Simple design, structures, elegant, and minimalism. For legs, allow to traverse floors, walls, ceilings, reasonable speed, and appear to be replaceable internally. There are few moving parts, rendering this construction energy efficient and resistant to wear over time. A rechargeable ion-based power preserves its energy. Okay, so they're not bad. What is this?
Translating local alien broadcast. Warning, vaccine development program terminated.
Why would you
Emperor
terminate
egg
that?
Fetching project terminated. Live specimens terminated. Evacuate immediately.
Hey, ion cube fabricator. That's fine. I don't need one of those. Oh my god. Holy shit. So what is this? Rudimentary tablet. It's like a museum. A circular object? All right. Holographic projector? Okay. You have some artwork. Sure. Alien statue. Ceremonial. Yep. Strange carving. So there's like art. We're finding artwork. God, people are going to love this. Hundreds of thousands of years old. Made from natural fiber. Unknown parent. A yin and yang symbol. It does. Aliens visited Earth prior to the 4th century BC and influenced the development of ancient Chinese philosophy. The concept of yin and yang is universal since yin and yang describe the fundamental independency that seemingly oppose forces. It may be necessary existential understanding in some form in all sufficiently developed civilizations. The tempering of two circles and opposed infinitesimally small points is one logical way to represent this. Understanding this may have been developed independently by species other than humans. Hi, little guy. Oh, please! An ancient blade? That'd be so cool! Let me be a freaking warrior. An earth blade? Evidence supports the theory that the aliens are an ancient spaceborns that engaged in the superior study of less... Oh my god. So that's like Earth. That's Earth, That's Earth artifacts. They've literally been to Earth. Yeah, just put an ion cube in there. I brought all of them. I don't know where all these lead, but we're gonna power them. How many ion cubes do we have? Yeah, we brought a lot. I also brought a lot of tablets, orange, purple. We have another purple? Yeah, we have one more purple and water, so we should be good. Okay, there's like 6 of these rooms. We also have the bronze suit which can mine some of this stuff. Oh, okay. What the hell is this?
Integrating new PDA data.
An inflow pipe? So, oh, the pipelines drawing the water in the cave facility are filled with peepers arriving from the surface. Fish show no sign of distress. Specimen and scan seed from organic matter? What is ion cube fabricator? All right. The water flowing in and out of the primary containment facility is an automated, controlled, independently of safeguards. Data on the water composition has been recorded. Different biomes on the surface of the planet, the water temperature is considerably lower than the volcanic environment outside the facility, while microorganisms and nutrients counts are sustainably higher. Oxygen-supplied water is being flooded in the system and recycled back to the surface. Okay, so this is like the fucking... enzyme host peepers. Oh! No symptoms of infection. All specimens scanned are carrying enzyme 42, which says inhibits the bacterium. Purge conducts were entering the pipe. The peepers have evolved to distribute the enzyme via the pipeline network. May explain a part of the mechanism. Oh, so eating the peepers causes you to be immune. The enzyme peepers. Okay. Alien tech. Translation. This device stores links data for over 1,000 different languages. The core device may allow alien text to be read and translated. Now, so the onboard data reveals a number of ancient Earth languages, including the term CHBC Live appears many times in this device and is important but unclear. The device seems to be configured to translate into the designer's language. It will not work the other way around. Okay. What is this? Alien building block? This rock-like object features organic as well as mechanical parts, sometimes genetic technological crossover with the design for the self-warping constructs encountered somewhere. It appears to serve no purpose in its current state. It's awaiting some sort of activation sequence. Materials such as this may have been a fundamental building block of the aliens' tech, or even if the aliens themselves. Okay. A boomerang. Tracking implant? This construct is emitting a high bandwidth signal consistent with alien transmissions intercepted elsewhere. DNA in the exterior indicates it was once implanted inside one of the life forms indigenous to 456b. Its size suggesting the subject was a Leviathan-class organism. Beyond tracking its and broadcasting its location, the implant may have also recorded biological data on the subject. However, the data cannot be retrieved. Okay, and then a box. Is there anything in the other one over there? Organic matter. So this device contains a highly unstable radioactive isotope, likely to destroy all organisms exposed to it while leaving physical structures intact. Although it would function perfectly well as a weapon, it was more likely used to sterilize spaces for later inhabitation. Without instructions, it would be unwise to interact with it. Fine. Yep. And then an empty case, meaning something's been taken out. Oh, scans show an advanced nanobot inside this empty case. Oh my god. I thought you guys were harmless. Jesus. Yeah, so there's nanobots in there. There was like, oh yeah, these guys are harmless. And then it just fucking slaps my ass. What the hell?
This room appears to be a biological archive storing more than 40 indigenous egg specimens in different states of development.
Whoa, okay. Data terminal. See Emperor Leviathan research data. Specimen size categories have been adjusted upwards to accommodate the species. Feeding into alien research data indicates that despite its size from the species, he's entirely a microorganism and filters from the water, which themselves depends on a complicated ecosystem of plant and animal life. Large ovary-like organs are carried in the creature's middle section, suggesting that other species on this planet it produces eggs. However, internal scar tissue indicates probable infertility. Enzyme 40. So the Emperor manufactures enzyme 42 within its stomach cavity to break down its food and will occasionally expel it into the surrounding waters. This substance was found to neutralize the effects of the bacterium, and its presence in the ecosystem today would explain how life on the planet survived that outbreak. It will remain to be explained why the mechanism of the enzyme is being delivered. Health comparative analysis of size of metabolic rates indicate the specimen captured by the researchers was approximately 1,600 years old. Extensive internal and external scar tissue suggests it had lived well in excess of its peak lifespan for its species. While healthy Emperor specimen may have held some potential as a cure, it isn't likely any research subjects survived quarantine and proceed. Oh, damn. So there's an Emperor one, like, huge. I think that's the one talking to us, too. Yeah, look how big that egg is. You can't scan any of these. These are eggs from, like, the entirety of the planet. None? I can scan nothing? This sounds like it's alive. Oh, like an egg picker-upper? Yeah. Crazy. So the Sea Emperor Leviathan has the cure. But they stopped the research of the cure. Enzyme 42. According to the translated data logs, an additional Leviathan species was found producing a unique substance for enzyme 42, which inhabited the systems of the HAR, bacterial infection, and other indigenous organisms. The specimen was captured and contained in a purpose-built habitat for the study. The alien researchers went to great lengths to provide for the life form's environmental needs, including an import of independent flora and fauna via on-site warp gate. However, its health quickly deteriorated when quarantine was imposed. All warp gates and force fields were sealed. An attempt to develop the enzyme and a vaccine had been unsuccessful. So, if I'm understanding this right... Oh, that's there. This is the last place we can go without a blue tablet. What the hell is in these? What is this? Oh, a preserved fetus? Found preserved in a display case, it was likely a child of the dog specimen contained in the facility. Superficial damage to the specimen indicates it was artificially removed from its egg casing. Stunned tissue development suggests the organism expired during the removal process. The tissue sample has been taken from the digestive tract. It appears the aliens were attempting to formulate the cure for the bacterium from enzymes produced in the specimen's digestive system. Without a young, healthy specimen, these efforts were in vain. Yeah, so the Emperor... Oh my god, it got cut open? Aw, they were, like, cutting her open? In egg casing. The shell casing formed a thick layer of carbon composites, suggesting its extensive gestation period. The live species may give birth just once per century, perhaps once in their lifetimes. A lava lizard egg discovered. Hell yeah, that was in our little area. Precise incision suggests a laser-based tool is used to cut open the egg casing, forcibly remove the physics side prior to full gestation. Time pressure to develop a bacteria vaccine may have driven the alien researchers to come over the egg and remove the fetus for study. It's possible that, removed from its parent and natural habitat, some vital condition for the infant to hatch naturally was not met. Oh, home sweet home, SS Red Eye. Alright. How many of these are we crafting? There's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. Yeah, we're not doing it again where we don't have enough resources to do it. Insert tablet! What is this? Come on. Hello? Oh, I don't want to go in there. That scares me. Let's go, like, over there looks like something. Hello? Anyone home? YOLO. Oh. Oh, hello? Hi?
Are you here to play? Others came here once. They built these walls.
Please don't eat me.
They played alone. They bored me. Now they're gone. And instead, we have you. We are curious whether you swim with the current.
With the current, with the
or
current.
fight against it.
With
as
the
they
current.
did.
Could I scan you?
Unlike other alien facilities, scans indicate this location supports a diverse and healthy ecosystem. Explanation unclear at this time.
Hey.
Detecting unusually passive behavioral patterns in nearby predators. Reason unknown.
Okay, let me can I get my prawn suit real quick? Yeah, let me just grab my prawn suit real quick. I'll come join you. So I guess that's where we found her. Her, right? Yeah, it had eggs. I think it's a female. Let's grab the prawn suit and see what we can find down there. I mean, let's at least just have it in here, but I imagine.
Life in this area is growing outside its normal conditions. Other life forms fertilizing and pruning the vegetation may be offsetting this environmental deficit.
Okay. It's like the surface created like yeah.
Environment scans indicate the water here is rich with a rare plankton-like life form which depends on the organic detritus produced by the ecosystem around it.
So we got rare life forms. Well, there's this. I imagine you don't want me touching these. Oh? Oh my god, yes, she's laid more eggs. And these are incubators. So, the Emperor spacesuit specimen eggs are attached to some of the former incubator. A normal life cycle, it seems likely the sea embers would have buried their eggs in shallow waters. Different organic materials, the soil would have triggered hatching response. Incubators, just the aliens. Okay, yes, they're trying to get it. And then sea emperor eggs. Alien tubes. Amniotic sac. Fetal organism. Hi. Can I do this for you? Yeah?
My young need to hatch, to play outside this place. We have been here so long. The others built a passage to reach the world outside. I asked them for this freedom, but they could not hear me.
Oh?
If you help us, I will give you freely what the others tried in vain
Sure.
to take.
Can I get air first real quick? You're gonna be mad at me if I get air? I need to get air, or I'm gonna die. I'm gonna bring my prawn suit over. I'll be back like really, really quick. Oh, is that a new type of peepers? That was a new type of peepers. I gotta scan that. There's a new type of peepers in here. Is it a new type of, Here they are. It was a special. It looked special. So, well, all other creatures encountered within the facility is other than it. Peepers appear coming from the going off their own accord. Oh, so the peoples are allowed to go in here. Let's go.
With the passage you have opened, my young can leave this
Yeah,
place.
they can.
But first they must feel the time is right and break free of their shells. This is what the others could not force from me. To you, I give the secret willingly.
What's the secret? Hatching enzymes?
New blueprint acquired.
Okay, so we need a lot of stuff. And how many do we need? Not a lot. What did that say also? Okay, available biological data has been used to synthesize the effects of the alien bacterium in the sea ember's natural lifestyle. The creature likely had lived and moved in small herds around the planet's ocean trenches, coming to the surface to feed on huge volumes of microorganisms in shallow waters. Family size would be strictly limited by availability of food supply. Offspring would likely be split off at a young age to form their own herds elsewhere. Given their sparse populations, mating and leg laying was likely infrequent, perhaps once in a lifetime event. The species likely had a preferred environment for laying eggs. The fact successful hatching may depend on its conditions. Given the rarity of this event, it's impossible to calculate these conditions precisely. Ooh. There is no evidence to support the assumption that all members of the species were immune to the alien bacterium. Even if this is so, there is evidence that introduction of the bacterium disseminated life on the planet. This would have done a cash-out effects on the Emperor's food supply chain and survival rate. Symbolic relationship between the specimen and the other life forms likely developed as a direct result of the bacterium infection. The life forms, which have learned to keep this Emperor alive, survived with its help. This may explain the vast tracts of lifeless ocean and a rough perimeter around the Emperor's location. Alright, but can I get these seeds from in here? I think I can. No. Is that not one of them? It is not. Take some water in, though. So what do I need exactly? God, this is confusing. Okay, eye stalk, sea crown, fungal, ghostweed, and bulb bush. It's down here. Oh. Oh? This is one of the vents. Yep, that's one of the vents. Oh, there's an ion cube here. I'll take that. And this is another portal? Where does this one go? Where's going in now? Oh. Oh, this leaves. Okay. So that's the leaving one. If you couldn't swim out. Let's do a self-scan. Am I still okay? Yeah, I'm still fine. Okay, so there's 2 access points. We need a lot of materials to do what we're gonna do.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
I'll be right back. Don't you worry. I will be right back. I'm just going to go through a portal. I'm assuming this is going to go right to the other alien base. That's my guess. That top one that we tried to activate earlier, that's my guess. I was correct.